girls, we're back on it. We left off that little video I made yesterday that showed you the finishing of the concrete. Yesterday's project. So we started that, no, I'm sorry, on Friday. It's Saturday, today's Sunday. We're doing the roof. So we got all the sheeting done. We had to do a lot of under repairs under the sheeting, sistering up some roof trusses that were rotten. This is what we ended up. I'm not sure what we're going to do with this yet. Might be putting a strip in there, maybe not. We'll see how it folds out. It's tough to do a strip in there because it's so narrow, but maybe I will. I'm not sure. This is unconventional carpentry that built this, so I don't know, we might run into something. Yeah, I think we're gonna have to put a fill strip. So there's down the short side. This is the long side we're working on, getting the shingling done. This project was not cheap by any stretch. This side measures 16 by 22. The short side's 4 by 22. I spent about $1,500 fixing the roof. The logic behind that to fix the roof was it's cheaper than building a new shed that would probably be, it's a big shed, probably be around $12,000 to replace it. And I've done some repairs. I know you guys saw the video 2 years ago how to fix it, which thanks, but nobody responded. And I went ahead and did some work on it anyway. And it's just a matter of keeping on going and fixing this roof up. Whew. I don't know. I'll cut the video now, and then we'll get back at it. Here's a view of my beautiful neighborhood from on the shed roof, and then yeah, I'll get back to the video when we get figured out what we're doing. Stand by. Hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and what was that? Hit the subscribe button, the like button. Leave a comment if you think we're crappy at roofing, because we're millwrights and mechanics. We're not roofers. So let us know what you think.
Right there.
All right, boys and girls, there she be. We'll call it a re-roof. I'm not a roofer. Jake's not a roofer, and we don't pretend to be roofers, but we did it ourselves, so can you. I'll tell you, the last time I did a roof, I was 19 years old. That's way over 35 years ago, and I don't know, I just looked at some stuff on YouTube, figured out I could do it. So there it is there. That's as good as it gets. We'll put some fascia on here, some soffit covers. That'll be a next week project. Cover all this up here, make it look good. We had some problems with some wood underneath there that was rotten, so we put some new boards in there. We're gonna figure out how to cover that up, make it look decent. Yeah, so we got everything done. Unfortunately, we had a big rainstorm right in the middle of the job, and I mean, it flooded this shed. I was devastated, and I'll tell you why I was devastated. That is a Black & Decker job mate from about 1975, and that whatever funky man-made wood they got in there got wet and it swelled, and I am just heartbroken about it. I haven't seen the full extent of the damage, but I was devastated. Snowblower got wet, bike got wet, tractor was, the seat was full of water, nailer got wet, everything got wet. It was just a disaster from all the water coming in. But now we're going to leave the doors open, we're going to dry it all out in here, then we'll do a full clean out. It's the best that I can do, so that's it. The wall, you remember you guys that said how we're going to save this thing when it was collapsing. That's what we came up with so far. I'm going to probably still have to do more work on it. There's still some thinking around, but I made up a wall there with a doorway into the second half. We're going to clean all that up, level it out. I got a storage unit that I need to get out of, so There's the Husqvarna. Yeah, everything's good. Everything's real good. All right, well, that's it for today. It's going to be a short video this weekend. We're not going to make it for a full video, but that's the way it is. We got some junk to take away. COVID trailer's doing fine. Going to haul all that stuff. So that's where we are. Talk to you soon. Take care. Subscribe, ring the bell, come back often.